I am going to update you soon on the different length of my hair. I'm going to measure each section of my hair using the tape measure. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your favorite art teacher, Artwork Fly, and over here we do talk about hair. Alright, so guys, today is the last day for the elastic band, so I'm just jumping in really quick to let you see basically how the hair looks before the elastic band. Now, whilst I'm wearing the elastic band, and then it's no more elastic bands for a time, but we see how that goes. Guys, I just washed my hair, guys, and this is how it is. It still has in the elastic band, but today will be the final day for the elastic bands for now, guys, because I think I'm addicted to that hairstyle using the elastic band. But today will be the final day for it for this year, fingers crossed. And I got a comment that asks, is all my hair waist length? And I said no, all my hair is not waist length. And I did explain that in one of the videos, so you can go ahead and watch it. But what I'm going to do, I am going to update you soon on the different length of my hair. I'm going to measure each section of my hair using the tape measure or a meter stick or something. I'm going to measure it for you guys, the back, the middle, and the front, and even the sides, and let you guys be your own judge. Okay, so stay tuned for that video. I would like to do it tonight, but I'm a bit busy and I still haven't gotten to answer some of the comments. So whenever I get the chance to do that, I'll do that and upload that video, so you have to stay tuned. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and comb this here now without the elastic band. I've done a video with that already, so I will not be doing another one like that, but I might just do just one to show you how it looks without the elastic band here, and then in the video. Alright, because I've done this before once, just to see if I like it or just to see how it progresses over the week. So I've done this before, guys. You can check out the hair videos on my channel. Alright guys, so let's try and do just one for now.
Her hair flows like a river down to her waist. Ebony strands catch the sunlight's embrace. With every step she takes, she owns the ground. Her afro crown makes the world spin round. It's like a dance.
Alright guys, so this one is the only one I'm going to do on camera without the elastic band. Then say good night, alright? Or good day, or whenever you're watching this video. Alright, so it's still wet, guys. It's still wet.
Her hair tells a tale of heritage and strength that never fails. Black as the night, just as bright, a vision of power in the daylight. Through the city streets she turns heads in awe, captivated by the grace they saw. With every glance she breaks the norm, her elegance a storm in human form. In the mirror she sees more than just a face. She sees a legacy that time can't erase. Each strand a symbol.
I'm going to try out this new product.
The radiance
Buckle hard, guys. Okay, it's very thick. Let's see how that works.
or in the daylight. Through the city streets she turns heads in awe, captivated by the grace they saw. With every glance,
It's not even tight enough, but we see how this progresses over 1 week. I think I'm gonna wear my edge control band for the edges. But we see how that goes. Alright. So yes guys, that's it for this video and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys. Oh, probably I might show you guys how it looks in the end. Not sure. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so this is the hair. I should have put it a bit higher because right now I look bald. But the twist is not done so well, so I would have to leave it like this one. Yes guys, so you see how this week goes. Alright guys, a bit of update on the hair. I did the hair on Sunday. Today is now Friday and this is how the hair is without the elastic band. What do you think guys? Let me come up a bit closer. So I have the gel or the edge control in it. Alright guys, so you guys be the judge. What do you guys think? But as I said, no more elastic bands for 1 year. See how that works. Fingers crossed again because I'm addicted. Anyways guys, bye. Please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe and hit the bell so you can always know when I upload.